Hello student and welcome to Rasa International School. Today is our chapter for class 9, chapter 1, History, French Revolutions. And today we are going to discuss about the topic Reign of Terror. The Reign of Terror. The period from 1793 to 1794 is referred to as the Reign of Terror as it was a period of violence that occurred for more than 1 year, incited by conflict between rival political factions and marked by mass executions of enemies of the revolution. So, we are going to know what is the meaning of the Reign of Terror. Reign mean time and terror mean fear. So, the reign of terror mean the time of fear. In this chapter, we are going to know that after the French revolutions, Maximilien Robespierre came into the power with large majority of third estate people. After came into power, he made some cruel policy, and which type of policy he made, we are going to know. Maximilien Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment. All those whom he saw as being enemies of the Republic, ex-noble and clergy, members of other political parties, even members of his own party who did not agree with his methods, were arrested, imprisoned, and then tried by a revolutionary tribunal. As we know, the French society was divided in three parts: first state, second state, and third state. Clergy, noble, and poor farmer and landless labor. After the French revolutions, Maximilien Robespierre came into the power with support of third state. Maximilien Robespierre made some new policy of freedom and republic in France. But those people who were not agree with his policy were arrested and punished. If the court found them guilty, they were guillotined. The guillotine is a device consisting of two poles and a blade which a person is beheaded. It was named after Dr. Guillotine who invented it. My question is, what is guillotine? The guillotine was a device used to punish people. It was a device It was a device that had very sharp blade made of with iron its upper side. This is guillotine and this is sharp blade. When a criminal was proved, he was laid on guillotine and the sharp edges blade fall on his neck. After which his neck was separated from his body. This is use of guillotine. And this is the person, Dr. Guillotine, who invented guillotine. Who invented guillotine? Dr. Guillotine invented guillotine. The new government issued laws placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Meat and bread were rationed. Peasants were forced to transport their grain to the cities and sell it at price fixed by the government. The use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. All citizens were required to eat the pain, egalite, equality bread, a loaf made of whole meat. So, for your convenience, I am explaining this in Hindi. जब नई सरकार बनी, जब मैक्सिमिलियन रोबेस्पियर जब पावर में आए, तब क्या हुआ, उन्होंने क्या किया, सबको खाने पीने की जो एक फैसिलिटीज़ थी वो बराबर दी गई. बिकॉज वी हैड टू रीड अबाउट द सब्सिस्टेंस क्राइसिस. सब्सिस्टेंस क्राइसिस क्या था? वेयर द बेसिक नीड आर इन डेंजर्ड. क्या था वहाँ पर, जब एक रोज़ की चीज़ें जो हैं खाने पीने की वो लोगों के लिए बहुत तकलीफ दी थी और लोग उसको खाने पीने की चीज़ें नहीं मिल पा रही थी, है ना. तो उनको क्या किया गया कि सबको बराबरी का राशन दिया जाए, सबको खाना जो है सबको बराबर मिले, चाहे वो फर्स्ट क्लास हो या सेकंड क्लास हो, थर्ड स्टेट हो, सबको जो है खाना बराबरी मिलना चाहिए. पीजेंट वर फोर्स टू ट्रांसपोर्ट देयर ग्रेन टू सिटीज़ एंड सेल इट प्राइस फिक्स बाय द गवर्नमेंट. जितने भी किसान थे उनसे ये कहा गया कि आप अपने खाने को एक फिक्स प्राइस में बेचें, ना एक कोई बढ़ाएगा ना कोई घटाएगा. पूरे फ्रांस में जो है खाने का एक ही रेट हो गया. द यूज़ ऑफ मोर एक्सपेंसिव वाइट फ्लोर वॉज फॉरबिडन. और सिटीजन फॉर रिक्वायर्ड टू ईट अ पेंट इगलाइट. मतलब ज़्यादा महंगा अनाज खाने के लिए बिल्कुल रोक लगा दी गई. सबको एक बराबर जो है आटा या अनाज वो खाने की इजाज़त दी गई. Equality was also sought to be a practice through a form of speech and address instead of traditional monsieur and madame. All Frenchmen and women were henceforth citoyen and citoyenne. Churches were shut down and their buildings converted into the barracks or office. इक्वालिटी यहाँ इतनी हो गई कि फ्रांस में पहले लोगों को मोंजोर यानी जो सर थे उनको मोंजोर बुलाया जाता था और जो लेडीज़ थी मैडम उनको मैडामे बुलाया जाता था। लेकिन जैसे ही मैक्सिमिलियन रोबेस्पियर पावर में आया उन्होंने क्या किया, सबको बराबरी दे दिया। क्या हुआ, सारे ही सिटीज़न सारे जितने भी फ्रांस के सिटीज़न थे जो मेल थे सिटियन और सिटियनी उनको बोला जाने लगा। चर्च वॉज शट डाउन एंड देयर बिल्डिंग्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू बैरक्स एंड ऑफिस। जितने भी चर्च थे जो इंटरफेयर करते थे मतलब किंग्स के काम में एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव में, उनको बंद कर दिया गया और उनको सिर्फ ऑफिस बना दिया गया वो ऑफिस के वर्क में। The Robespierre pursued his policies so relentlessly that even his supporters begins to demand moderation. The intensification of the Reign of Terror caused many influential members of the convention of the Jacobin clubs to fear of their own safety. Maximilien Robespierre made some policies and he wants that all the citizens of France have to follow these policies in every condition. At the end, the member of Third State came to know that Maximilien Robespierre became a dictator. On July 27, 1794, Robespierre was accused of tyranny, barred from speaking at the National Convention, and was placed under arrest, as were key supporters. On July 28, Robespierre, together with his closest associate and 19 other supporters, died on the guillotine. And at the end, the member of Third State came to know that Maximilien Robespierre became a dictator, and his fear spread so much that his own supporter started to fear him, and finally Maximilien Robespierre and his 19 other supporters died on the guillotine. I hope you like this video. We will upload some more video with some new topics. Till then, stay safe and good.